Hello, my wonderful students. Very good morning to everyone. So, today we are going to see Class 5 English New Book, Unit number 1. Let's have fun. So, Papa's Spectacles. So, this is the new book, students. So, we are going to see the first unit. Let's have fun. Papa's Spectacles. Okay. So, let us dictate. Today, our Papa is searching everywhere. Has he lost his spectacles? So, spectacles, we already know what is a spectacles. Spectacles is a glass that we wear. So, like his papa, look at this picture. He is wearing his glass. So, this is called as a spectacles, a vision glass. So, today our papa is searching everywhere. Has he lost his spectacles? It was his only pair. So his papa is having only one pair of spectacles, but he lost it. Okay. He cannot read the newspaper. He cannot watch TV. He can't cut the vegetables. Oh, where can it be? So without specs, his father cannot able to read the newspaper. So he cannot able to read the newspaper because he is having eyesight vision issue, maybe a long sight or maybe a short sight. But only if he wears the glass, he can able to read the newspaper very clearly. The letters will be visible. Likewise, he cannot watch the TV also, and he cannot cut the vegetables, and he is wondering, oh, where can it be? He checked inside his pocket. He glanced under the chair. He searched near the window. He looked everywhere. So, what happened? He started checking the glass now. He started checking his pockets and he glanced under the chair. Look at this picture. He's checking under the chair and he searched near the window. Like this picture, he's searching near the window. He looked around everywhere. So he's looking everywhere. I told him, stop, Papa. Now the boy is telling, I told him, stop, Papa. I went up close. The boy went close and said, Papa, your spectacles are right there on your head. So sometimes our father, what they will do, so look at the picture first. The spectacles, it's already there in his head. But he forgot and he is searching for everywhere. So that's a very funny thing, right? So what happened? I told him, stop, Papa. I went close up and said, Papa, your spectacles are right there on your head. Okay. So this is Papa's spectacles. So next we have gone with the scooter. So next we have gone with the scooter, students. So we will see that in a separate video. So now this one is Papa's spectacles. So next we have new words. So new words, we have spectacles. So what is a spectacle? Spectacle is a glass. It's a vision glass. Okay, let's see if I can able to write it over. Give me 1 minute, students. Is it visible? Yes, it is visible. Okay, so spectacle is a vision glass. It's a vision glass. Okay, and pair. What is the meaning of pair and what is the meaning of glanced and what is the meaning of searching? Okay, so we will write the meanings one by one. First, we will write for meaning of pair. So, what is the meaning of pair? So, pair means a set of two things used together. For example, socks comes in a pair and what else? So, the vision glasses comes with two pairs of glasses like this. This is a glass, this one and this one. So pair means a set of two things. A set of two things. A set of two things. So what else we have in a set? I already told you we have a socks and we have shoes. And what else? If you have any idea, you can send me in comments. Okay. So next, meaning of glanced. So glanced means it's searching of something or take a brief or hurried look. You can always write searching, but here take a brief or hurried look. Brief. Okay, searching is very easy. It's looking for something. So looking for something. Okay, looking for something. Next, Papa is searching for. So what is Papa is searching for? Papa is searching for his spectacles. His spectacles. And what are the possible places where Papa find it? So what are the possible places? We'll go back to that. So here he searched in his pocket. So we can write pockets. The possible place where Papa can find it are pockets and near the window, under the chair. So under the chair and where else? That's all. Pocket, chair and under the window. Next, at last, where does Papa find his lost item? So where did he find? Right on his head. So you can write on his head. So the answer should be Papa found his lost spectacles right on his head. Okay, so that is the answer. So we'll go to the next one. So apart from reading, guess some other chores that Papa cannot do without his spectacles. So without his spectacles, Papa cannot read, right? So if you see any other items, so for example, without having any transport like bike or cycle, he will be finding very difficult to travel. So that also you can write. So what makes your Papa happy? So what else makes our Papa happy? So if we study well and if we behave well and if we be as a very good boy, our parents liked them very much, right? So you can write behaving like honest. Honest is most important thing that everyone will like, including your parents. Honest and good human being and helping everyone. Helping each other. Okay, next, make a list of things as instructed. Things generally misplaced in your home. Who helps it find it? Okay, so we can write TV remote will always be missing. So you can write TV remote. So who will find it? Father or mother. Okay, and sometimes we will miss our What else? We have remote and mother's shoes. Sometimes, yeah, shoes. When we start to school early in the morning, we will miss one pair of shoes, right? So, one pair of shoes. So, always our mother will help us to find it. Shoes. And what else? Books. School books or notebooks. And again, mother will find it. And sometimes our mother in kitchen, she will miss to find our lunchbox cap. So lunchbox cap. So who will find that? Mother. Okay. Next. So how would you express your gratitude to them? So how would you express your gratitude to them? By saying thank you. Thank you. And next time keeping the things in the same place. Keeping in the same place. Okay. Next. Things, okay, we finished this. Look at the words in each group, arrange them in ascending order. Write the smallest or lightest object first and biggest and heaviest object at the last. Okay. So I'm going to take a screenshot of this. Okay, we will do this. Okay, first we have to write the, I'm going to change the color to red. Okay, we need to write the smallest and the lightest first. So we have sari handkerchief is the lightest and smallest. So that comes the first. So hand kerchief, and next we have towel. Next we have bedsheet, and sari is the last because it is long and heavy as well. Sari. Okay. Next we have fruits: strawberries, cherry, watermelon and apple. So cherry, when you compare to strawberry and cherry, cherry will be little smaller. It depends again the size. So first cherry, next we have strawberry, next we have apple, watermelon. So watermelon. Okay. Next we have numbers. So 29, 14, 91, 47. So we have 14 that comes first. 14. Next 29. So 29. Next we have 47. Last we have 91. So this is 91. Okay. Next we have hen, crow, sparrow, eagle. The sparrow is the smaller one, a very tiny creature. Bird, sparrow. Next we have crow. Next we have hen. The last one is the eagle. Next we have ox, rabbit, elephant and squirrel. So we have squirrel. When you compare to ox, rabbit and elephant, squirrel is the smaller one. So squirrel, and we have rabbit on the next, and ox, and elephant is the last one. Okay. Next we'll go back to the PDF. So we have completed this. Write two example more for the following pattern. So now they are asking to write two more example for the following pattern. For example, you can write ant, spider, and what else? Any big insect, and you can compare which one is smaller to the greatest one. Okay. For example, I'll do it in blue color. So I have a dog, a cat, and a lion. So first I will write cat, then dog, and lion. Okay. Likewise, you can write vegetables also. You can write beans, peas, carrots, pumpkins, and you can arrange to the heaviest to smallest or the smallest to largest. Okay. Next. Note the following phrase, a pair of shoes. So, a shoe always comes in a pair because we have two legs. So, we can wear a pair of shoes. Okay. Likewise, fill in the blanks to complete the phrases. A pair of dash, a pair of spectacles, a pair of pant, a pair of socks, a pair of gloves, so a pair of earring and a pair of bat. Okay, so I'm taking a screenshot again because this is not a PDF student. Okay, so the PDF has not come for this lesson yet. So 1 minute. I need to take a screenshot and then I need to explain you. Okay, so we'll start writing. First one, a pair of 1 minute still. Okay, pant. And a pair of scissors. And a pair of specs. You can write spectacles or you can write specs, and a pair of socks. And next a pair of, I'll take a screenshot. A pair of gloves. Okay, you can write G. Gloves. Okay, and a pair of earring. A pair of bat. Okay, a pair of bat. Next, encircle the words that is spelled correctly. One has done for you, so we have to encircle the correct spelling. Okay, I'm going to take a screenshot of this as well. Okay, so I hope this is visible. So first water is done for us. So now we need to encircle. The next one, vegetables. So what is the correct spelling of vegetables? It's Vegetables. So vegetables. So this one is the correct one. Okay. And next one is balloon. Ballon. Balloon. 1 minute, students. I need to charge it over. Give me 1 minute. Okay. And we have house. 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 And next we have elephant. So Elephant. Elephant. And next we have spectacles. SPE. This is spartacle. This is spectacles. So this one is spectacles. Okay. Next. Next we have carpenter. So Carpenter. Carpenter. And fruit. Fruit. And receive. So Recieve. Receive. Next we have principal. So Principale. Principal. Next. Complete the story using the correct preposition. Okay. So I'm going to take a screenshot. Okay. My father has a habit of keeping his spectacle dash random places. So around a random places, after a random places, before, in, above, on or among. So my father has a habit of keeping his spectacle in random places. Last week he could not find his spectacles and looked around the house. We checked his big box that he dash our wastes. So we checked his big box that he searched before our waist or after our waist or above our waist or among our waist. So above. Above. Our waist. My father looked for the spectacles dash the newspaper kept among the newspaper kept dash the table on the table. He continued searching for 2 hours dash before finally give up. He sat down on the bed dash giving one final look after. Okay. So my father has an habit of keeping his spectacle in a random places. Last week he could not find his spectacle and looked around the house. We checked the big box that searched above our waist But my father looked for a spectacle among the newspaper kept on the table. He continued searching for 2 hours before finally giving up. He sat down on the bed after giving one final look to the room and said with sigh, looks like it is time to get new pairs. Okay, so now we have completed this story. So next, use the clue given and complete the crossword puzzle. So using the clue, we need to complete the crossword puzzle here. Okay, so let's see the first one. I'll close this out. Okay, I'm going to take, I need a screenshot, right? I'll take a screenshot of this puzzle. Okay, so now let's go back to the question. First one. Not far, it is dash. So not far, it is dash. So we have the first one here. So not far and it is dash. That is the second one. Said. First one is down and second one is across. First we will see the down. I said no, but he said what? So not far, it is nearby. So we will write nearby. We'll go back to that image. Let me write N E A R B Y, nearby. And I said no, but she said yes. I said no, but she said yes. So Y E yes. Okay. And the third one, something small is not, and I want dash clothes, not the dirty ones. So I want a clean clothes. So I want a clean clothes, not the dirty one. So sixth one, it's clean. CLEAN, clean. And let's see the fourth question now. Don't be sad. Be happy. So we have to be happy. So fourth one is happy. So HAPPY, happy. Okay, let's see the third one. We have not finished yet. Something small is not big. So something small is not big. So we have BIG, big. Okay, next we see eighth one. So we have not inside play. So not inside play, it's outside. So eighth one is outside. So OUTSIDE, outside. Okay. And fifth one, where is the fifth one? You are slow. She is fast. So FAST, fast. Okay. And sixth one, not hot. She likes cold coffee. COLD, cold coffee. Seventh one, where's the seventh one? Not bought but sold. SOLD, D. Sold. So, and we have ninth one. When it is not bright, it is dark. D-A-R-K. Dark. Okay, so now we have finished it up, students. You can fill all these answers here. Next. Papa is commonly used words in English to address one's father. Say loud word that is used for father in your language. Make a list of your words in your notebook and share it to them. So, Papa is used for a word to call our daddy, right? So, you have to write how do we call in our language, like Papa, Daddy, and we call Dada. Okay, like this you have to write few more in other languages as well. Okay, next. Your teacher will read loud a few pairs and listen carefully and encircle the pairs in the words sound different. Okay, so pair, pair, eight, eight, bed, bad, not, not, fair, fair, hair, hair, fair, fear, where, sun, sun, dear, 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 cold, could, heel, heel, not, note, dare, dear, would, could, fill, feel. So now we will encircle the pairs which doesn't sound as the same. Okay, first we have pair and peer. It doesn't sound the same. We have eight, eight, bed, bad, and cold, could, different, and dear, dear, and dare, dear, would, could, fill, feel, not, note. Okay, next. Write the poem Papa's Spectacle in a form of story in your notebook. Share your story with your classmate. This is your class activity, students. You can write the Papa's Spectacle in the form of a story. Okay. Next, fun with matchsticks. Move 3 matchsticks to make 3 squares. So we have to move 3 matchsticks from here, and so that you can able to make a square. Okay. One minute, I will take a screenshot of this. I think it is like very difficult for me to move. Okay, for example, if we are removing these 2 matchsticks, okay, I am going to remove these 2 matchsticks, okay, and this will become 1 square, and this will become the second square, okay, and if I take this will become the third square. Okay. Next, look at the red star with the tip of your nose and look at the candle, and lo, it is start burning. So you have to start looking at this star at the tip of your nose. So you should start looking at the star tip of the nose and then look at the candle. So we will try this. Yes, I'm looking the star at the tip of my nose, and I'm looking at the candle and see whether the candle it's like burning or not. It should come here and you can able to see the flame in the candle. Look at carefully, can you able to find D? So there are a lot of B's here. So we need to look carefully and see whether we can able to locate the D. Yes, I located it is here. Okay, and see whether we have any more D's. No, there's only one D. Next riddle, just for fun. I go to the market. I loving buying you home. I sit in front of you and I cry, cry, cry. What it is? So I go to the market. Okay. I loving bringing you home. I sit in front of you and I cry, cry, cry. What it is? So which vegetable makes us cry, students? That is onion. So onion makes us cry. So the answer is onion. Okay, so now we have completed this one. So tomorrow I will upload the chapter Gone with the Scooter. Okay, so I have uploaded the periodic 10 question paper also for practice. Okay, bye bye students. Take care and be safe always. Okay.